My name is Dave Olson. I'm VP of Finance and New Business Development at RCN Capital. RCN Capital is a specialty lender, a private lender based in South Windsor, Connecticut. We make short-term commercial loans to investors in non-owner-occupied residential and small commercial properties. These are short-term loans. Often the residential purchasers are buying, improving, and selling or flipping the properties. The small commercial property investors are generally borrowing from us for interim financing or bridge financing to enable them to close quickly on a small commercial property. Again, we're a commercial lender, non-owner occupied properties only, short-term loans, generally 1 year, and we lend across the country in close to 40 states at the moment, and that is increasing almost every week. We enjoy working with the CCTG grads. They're highly qualified. They go through an intense training course. We rely on commercial loan brokers for a lot of our business, approximately 70%. So a group like CCTG is important to us. We enjoy working with them. They're high quality and provide a decent flow of business to us. I have been up in their class and made presentations to the group in the past and enjoy meeting them. They're quality people, and we hope to do a lot more business with them in the future. We recently had a call from, actually a couple months ago, from a CCTG graduate in the Midwest, and they had a borrower who had delayed in repaying a bank on a 5-year note. I think the time slipped away and he was running out of time. She called us up and said, can you help? Can you provide a bridge loan to this individual quickly? And as I mentioned, we make short-term loans to real estate investors. This was a scenario in which he needed to close on a financing in about 3 or 4 weeks. We were able to do that very quickly. It was about a $500,000 loan on a office building. And with our loan, he was able to repay the bank quickly and allow himself more time to pursue traditional financing. CCTG training program is excellent. Since January, I've made several presentations to the class in Albany, and every time I go up there, it's a quality group of people. I know the program from my discussions with some of the attendees and the gentlemen who run it, that it's very intensive. They cover a lot of material. There's a lot to learn, and I've talked to some individuals who have gone through it and said it's actually more than they could absorb, but they love the fact that it was so much information. They could actually pick and choose what to focus on and concentrate on. My presentation is an hour long each time I go, and I get very good questions from the group showing they have a lot of knowledge in commercial loans in general, and I think it's a very, very high quality program. The CCTG brokers, to a person, and there's a number of women as well as men in each group, they are very, very good communicators. Compared to other brokers, they send us good descriptions of prospective transactions. We don't have to ask as much for additional information, even though with commercial loan brokers that happens quite often. They have a good grasp on the fundamentals of what we do compared to non-CCTG brokers. It takes a little less time to bring them up to speed. We are a little bit different in our niche. We're a specialty commercial lender. It takes a little bit of time to actually learn what we do, but they learn very quickly, and we get a high quality of lead flow from them, and we really appreciate it. I think lenders can benefit a lot from participating in the CCTG program. It's a chance to market products through a group of people, a form of leveraged marketing. We have a chance actually to present to every attendee and every prospective graduate because of our geographic proximity. We're fairly close. And I would say if you're able to or interested in participating in the program, I think it's well worth it. It's a good stream of leads, results in additional business. And again, it's the ability to describe our products for sale to a group of brokers who can pick and choose, and if they're interested in the product, they can take it and run with it and generate some results. We think working with CCTG Graduates from our perspective is quite worthwhile. It's a good group. It's leverage marketing, as I mentioned, an opportunity to have our products sold through a number of qualified people in the commercial loan marketplace. And I would say to anybody thinking of getting into this business, having been exposed to the program as a participant and talking with people who have gone through it, it's intensive. You learn a heck of a lot. I've talked to a former bank president who went into the program and was exposed to so many new products. He was actually a little embarrassed to say he did not know much of some of the products and came out with a tremendous understanding of, much more broader understanding of commercial loan products. So for anybody who's in the financial services industry or just getting into it for the first time, it's an intensive program. Everybody's going to learn a heck of a lot no matter what your background is, and you'll be able to, in my opinion, as an outside observer, come out and actually be able to market and sell a variety of loan products which are in great need in the marketplace. And to me, again, as an outsider, it seems to me it's very worthwhile.